Morning, guys. I'm trying to make a video real quick to help you guys access the midterm assessments. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go and log into Clever. And once you get into Clever, you're going to look for this icon. And then you're going to click into that icon. After you're done with that icon, you're going to find that you're in a program. And the program looks like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Take a Test icon and click on that. After you're in there, you're going to notice that you have two things in this screen. You're going to have a yellow thing that says benchmark. We're not doing that on day one. That is day two's work. You're looking for the blue box that says something about writing prompt. And that is what we're doing today.